clever covers make your home sweet and bright. Hide those smoke alarms, keep them out of sight. Spruce up your ceiling in a snap, it's true. With Be Clever covers, add a stylish view. No more plain plastic, nothing dull and gray. Without the charm and the flair on display. Custom designs that match your cozy theme. With Be Clever covers, live the decorating dream. Oh, Be Clever covers, such a clever find. Making safety stylish, one cover at a time. Your home's little secret out of plain view. Be Clever covers, bringing beauty to you. Just clip it on, it's simple and it's quick. Turn ordinary alarms into something slick. No more staring at those eyesore spots. Be Clever covers, turning heads non-stop. Whether your style's classic or special fun, Be Clever covers got a design for everyone. Living room to hallway, keep it all in line. Decorate with ease, making it divine. Oh, Be Clever covers, such a clever find. Making safety stylish, one cover at a time. Your home's little secret out of plain view. Be Clever covers, bringing beauty to you. Be Clever covers, such a clever find. Making safety stylish, one cover at a time. Your home's little secret out of plain view. Be Clever covers, bringing beauty to you. Oh, Be Clever covers, such a clever find. Making safety stylish, one cover at a time. Your home's little secret out of plain view. Be Clever